Hello, hello, hello. So I'm back like I promised, and I'm doing a makeup tutorial that's long overdue. So ladies, right now I'm filling in my eyebrows and I'm just using the Wet n Wild eyeliner pencil in the color dark brown. And as you can see, or as you will see in the video, I'm going to sculpt out my the bottom half of my eyebrow. I don't do the top, or at least I didn't do it now. You know, a lot of techniques, as makeup artists, we change and, do different things that we learn or try out. So I think it looks much more natural when I only do the bottom portion of the eyebrow, and even more natural when I'm only doing the outer corner and the middle. So basically, I'm not touching the inner corner of the eyebrow with any concealer at the bottom. So it's just going to stay like that. You can clearly see, I've made that line of demarcation and you can see where the light and the dark is. Whoa. Mm, 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 mm. Mm, mm, mm. Polika divorcée. Wow. Et je l'adore. Et je l'adore. La femme de mon patron. So pay close attention here, ladies. I'm pointing at the shadows in the order that I'm using them. If you really want to do the tutorial or do something similar, you might want to rewind the clip because it is pretty quick. But I'm pointing to the shadows in the order that I'm using them from light to dark. And I'm just going to be sweeping the lighter colors into the crease. As well as that orangey brown color, I'm going to be sweeping that into the crease and dragging it down to the lower lash line. And then those darker two colors, I'm going to be adding it only to the outer V of the eye. And I'll also add a little bit to the outer lash line, or the bottom portion of the lash line, but just the outer section. I'm not going to go all the way in with the dark brown. So you'll see. With these kind of colors, I highly suggest using a eyeshadow primer, something that's going to help to brighten up the eyeshadow color because it's so neutral, especially those two light brown colors that you guys first saw me sweep into my crease. Like, you can barely see them, but it definitely makes a difference in the eyeshadow look. It's just something that I've learned from, doing makeup all of these years. It definitely makes a difference. You can see it. Sometimes when you're doing an eyeshadow look, especially one like this where the colors are very neutral and light, you won't notice the look. You might feel like you need to add more color or it's not coming together, but once you put on your foundation and the skin is very even, very clean looking, you will definitely notice the eyeshadow look pop like way more. So right here, I'm adding some warmth to the look, and I'm adding a little bit of an orangey brown to the outer corners of the crease. You can see I'm really focusing it on that outer V portion, and I'm going to sweep it down into the lash line, which is going to warm it up even more. If you're super light, you definitely don't want to use something that's too bright and orange. You want something that is soft and orange. And if you're a little bit darker, than me, you definitely can use something that has more orange in it so you can get that warmth, but you don't want to use something that's too bright. Even that orange in the palette, depending on how dark that you are, the palette that I showed you guys from the shadows, you probably could use that, but I would use it with a very light hand. So you just need to practice to find out what kind of colors look good on you. So next I'm going to go ahead and line my eyes, and I'm just using a easy eyeliner, liquid eyeliner that I purchased from the beauty supply store. It's by Jordana, and I'm just going to line my eyes. Later on, I did decide to do like a very small wing, and I did it off camera. So right now I am applying another quote unquote layer of the Makeup Forever water blend foundation. In the beginning of the video, I also had on a light layer or a medium layer of this foundation. I will do a review on it. I've had this foundation for a year. I was supposed to review it a long time ago, but I never did. I do see a lot of reviews on it. A couple of reviews on YouTube. I haven't watched them personally. I think I watched Ivy's a long time ago because I was looking up the videos and stuff, and I noticed hers, and I think I watched it previously. But I'm still gonna do my review on it. So you already know the routine. Right now I'm going to be highlighting, and I'm using the same concealer that I used to sculpt out my eyebrows, the LA Girl Pro Concealer, and I believe this is the shade Fawn. I'm definitely using my fingers. There's nothing wrong with that. You just really want to make sure that you blend, and it may look a little patchy, it may look a little thick, but baby, wait till the end of this video. So as I'm building coverage right now. Basically, that's what I'm doing. I am building coverage. You do not want to pass your eyebrow when you're doing concealer, unless you want your face to look wider. Okay. Um, I'm building coverage. You don't want to keep swiping and blending away your makeup. You want to blend out the edges like you see me doing with the brush. So I blended out the edges so that it makes a smooth transition from the concealer to the foundation. And I'm going to use that mineralized skin finish. I believe this is medium plus, and I'm going to apply that all over my skin in the center of the face. And I'm just going to push it into the skin, give it a pat, because I like to look super matte and I want that coverage. And I'm also going to be applying the L'Oreal powder, the True Match powder in C8, I think. And I'm applying that all around the outer portion of my face, everywhere that I want to look warmer. So I'm adding the color back into my skin, because you can see I was looking really light, really white. But that was to highlight the inside of my face, and now I'm bringing my natural color back in. I'm going to use my favorite blush by MAC called Desert Rose. So we had to interrupt the normal programming for a little combat break, but now you can see my blush. It's popping, but it's going to be even more popping with my highlight, and this is Gold Deposit by MAC. So right now I'm going to be applying one of my favorite concealers, not concealers, mascara. This is Makeup Forever, and it's called Excessive Lash. I really love this. It's super good if you want to lengthen and separate your lashes, okay? So because my look is super neutral, I definitely wanted to add a white eyeliner to my waterline so that I could, you know, really get it popping, so you could really, really see the eyes. And it just really transforms certain looks. So I really love this technique. There we go. Hey guys! So I hope everything looks good. Like the lighting is a little off because my background and everything, but my lips are like a real like berry red. It's not really, it's violet, it's coming off. Like sometimes like when you hide the light in certain areas you see the true color. But anyways, this is the look. This is the completed look, honey. On my lips I have on Ruby Kisses lip lacquer. I don't know the color, but this is it. The lighting is really off, but whatever. Yes, honey, I'm coming through. I'll list all the products below. I gotta go to work. But yeah, this is the look. Let me know if you like it. Really nice and natural. Definitely would do this for bridal. And I didn't do any contouring. I just wanted to keep it nice and highlighted today. So yes, that was my boyfriend's dog. That means I gotta go. Bye guys. Get down, Coco.